Hi, I'm Angela Norris, and today we're in Sierra Cortina. I'm going to show you around this beautiful modern style brand new villa, one of 8 projects. They each have 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, so let's go take a look around. So starting in the swimming pool area, the garden area, just with a view of this amazing 2-story villa with basement. Lovely garden area here with swimming pool. Approximately 700 square meters in total, this outside living space and garden area. Swimming pool is 8 by 3 meters. And let's take you through to the entrance of the property now, coming past the swimming pool. Some lovely garden area here. And just down the side, down the front of the property here to the entrance. So you have your stairway with your gated entrance and your garage door leading down into the garage, which we'll take you through to in just a moment. And coming to the side of the property here now. It's a lovely long space down the side here with some more gardens. So the property is approximately 300 square meters in total. 175 meters inside on the top 2 floors. And 130 in the basement. So bringing you round to the back of the property now. Lots of lovely garden space with a barbecue area here. And of course, if you want, the builders can give you the awning over the top, the shelter that you might need from the sun while you barbecue. Everything can be done. Of course, your water and your electricity, everything's provided here. Bringing you round to the other side, back to the swimming pool area. And this is one of 8 plots on this particular area. Coming in through the front door here into the main living space. Beautiful big open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Lovely big double, well, more than double, patio doors, all opening to the outside area. And your American style kitchen. So this living space, 75 square meters, leading through to a bedroom, which I'll show you in just a second. Staircase obviously taking you up to the 2nd floor, and the staircase down to the basement. So immediately as you come through the front door, we have your video intercom. And this is a smart house, so you can control everything throughout the house here with you can control the lights, the air conditioning, the window shutters, lights from inside, lights from outside. It's just fantastic. You can control everything from one machine here by the door. So, and immediately to your left there's a pantry, storage room for your kitchen. Lovely centre aisle here with your cooker hob. Nice breakfast bar. Cooker hob and extractor fan. And this wonderful kitchen. So of course you can decide the style of kitchen that you want, the colour of the wood, which marble you would like, you can design it yourself. And of course there's an idea of what you can have, your fridge, freezer, lots of storage space, your 2 sinks, nice window to the entrance of the property, and dishwasher, your cooker and microwave, and lots more storage here. So lovely big patio doors here in the kitchen area. Let's just show you outside. Let's open these gorgeous patio doors to show you the seating area and immediately the swimming pool. Nice area for dining, and then of course your living space. Taking you through to the bedroom on this level. Again, lovely big patio doors out to the garden. And a mirrored double wardrobe. 9 square meters, this room. And we'll take you back out now to the downstairs bathroom, just next door. Of course, there'll be a lovely great big mirror here above your sink. Toilet and power shower. Lovely big power shower head at the top there. So the bathrooms have underground heating, and it's possible, if you would like, for the complete house to have underground heating. Anything is possible, but the bathrooms underground heating are included. So bring us back out to that lovely seating area. Alright, coming upstairs now, leading up to the bedrooms upstairs. So lovely glass panelled balcony here, and let's take you through immediately to the left to the master bedroom with bathroom. Let's show you the bedroom first. 13 square meters is this master bedroom, plus the ensuite bathroom. Beautiful views out there. I'll take you out there in just a second. Let me show you around this way. With the double wardrobes there, mirrored wardrobes. And taking you out onto the balcony now from this master bedroom. These wonderful heavy duty doors. The balcony runs all the way down the property for the other 2 bedrooms as well. They both come out onto the balcony. Looking down over the swimming pool area. And the balcony takes you just around the corner to your gated entrance. And these amazing views down to the seafront there, and over the shopping area. La Marina is just approximately 5 minutes drive away, maybe less than that, very close by. 5 minutes down to the beach there. Just about 7 to 10 minutes drive to Benidorm main centre, with all of the entertainment that you can need: restaurants, bars, clubs, shows, everything that you might need. and very close by. So of course you can buy this property from us for the same price as directly from the builders, but we offer more services as well. We can help you if you need an NIE number, help you get a bank account, help you with a mortgage, anything that you might need, we're here to help you. So let's take you back inside now to the master bedroom, and taking you through to the bathroom. More storage space there, more wardrobes just behind the door. Into this lovely big bathroom, double sink, toilet and bidet, and a lovely big power shower there. Again, underfloor heating in the bathroom. And let's go back out now to the hallway here leading to the rest of the bedrooms. So taking us into the third bedroom here. Again, lovely big patio doors there leading out onto the balcony. Another big double wardrobe there, mirrored wardrobe. And this room is approximately 10 square meters. Of course, everything is air conditioned in each room. And taking you back out now to the final bedroom, the fourth bedroom. Again, your double mirrored wardrobes, and 11 square meters this room. And then finally, upstairs on this level is another bathroom, a third bathroom. Again, very spacious, 2 sinks and storage space. You'll of course have a big mirror there. Toilet and lovely big power shower. And taking you down into the basement now, so your entrance door here, kitchen and living space, bringing you down the staircase, and immediately to the right as you come down is your garage space. Large garage doors here. Large size garage actually. I would say you could possibly fit 3 cars, definitely 2, possibly 3. 70 square meters in total, this area. And taking you back through now to the staircase, and immediately on the other side of the staircase is utility room, 10 square meters here, storage room with of course your boilers and space for anything that you might need, your washing machine and tumble dryer of course, and through to the other area here for anything that you might need, the gym perhaps, or another bedroom, more living space, and 50 square meters is this area, so lots of possibilities. bringing us back out to the garage and the staircase leading up to the main living space. The tax on this property is 1,300 per year, euros, and your basura, the removal of your rubbish, is 100 euros per year. Your community fees, 500 euros per year. And of course you can maintain your gardens and your swimming pool yourself, or if you would prefer to hire a gardener and a poolman, you're looking at approximately 150 euros per month. So thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed looking around this beautiful villa. If you need any information, please click on the link below this video. All of our details are there if you'd like to email us or give us a call. And subscribe to our channel and look out for more of our videos to come soon. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.